Hi IPSY, my name is Sarah Tanno. I'm the Global Artistry Director for Haus Laboratories and Lady Gaga's longtime makeup artist. At Haus Laboratories, we believe that kindness inspires bravery and beauty is how you see yourself. Now, IPSY sent me this cute makeup bag that has some questions in it so you can get to know us a little better. What mission did you and Lady Gaga have in mind when you were creating Haus Labs? We really wanted to create a space where you felt empowered to express yourself and to use our makeup as tools of expression, that you didn't have to fit into a mold of what the beauty industry says is beautiful, that we encourage you to get a little messy with it and to color outside the lines. As long as you color with love, we approve. What makes Laureate lip glosses unique? I love them because I feel they're unique in the formula. This gel-like texture makes them incredibly comfortable and they're extreme high shine. They have 3 finishes, which are shine, shimmer, and sparkle. I'm wearing Ethereal today. One of my other favorites is Entranced, which has a multicolor pearl and looks great over any lip liner or lipstick. The looks you create with Lady Gaga are so elaborate and creative. Where do you find inspiration? When working with her, I always find my inspiration starting with Lady Gaga. She always has a clear idea of what she wants, and it's a very collaborative process when we work together. I want to ask her how she wants to feel, because then I kind of know where to start looking for some references to get my point across. So usually I have an amazing collection of old editorials and photography books, so I might start there, or old runway shows, or even street style. What's the most high stakes event or memorable makeup you've done? There's so many over all the years that I've worked with her, but one that was really special was the Super Bowl, because I had to look at all of the iconography of, who she was as a performer, and to make it really iconic to her, because I wanted her to love it just as much 10 years from now as she did that day on the biggest stage in the world. What Haus Labs products are always in your bag, and what's a pro hack for using them? I would have to say liquid eyeliner in Punk. It's a matter than matte black liquid liner, and it's 24-hour long wearing. A tip for using it if you are intimidated by a liquid liner is you could actually just stamp it on its side because of the tip, and then just sharpen it. Another one of my favorites are the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon, and these are extremely comfortable for a matte lipstick. One swipe full pigment, and they come in 12 beautiful shades. What's one makeup trick that Lady Gaga has taught you? Great question. She actually teaches me so many tricks, but something that Gaga and I always try to achieve with our products is building the tips and tricks that we've learned together into the makeup. So specifically with the liquid liner, Gaga used to put a matte black eyeshadow on top of her eyeliner so that it looked really defined from stage. And since this wasn't something that we could find on the market, we decided to make it. That's why our formula is blacker than black and matter than matte. Thank you so much, IPSY and IPSTers, for watching and learning more about Haus Laboratories. And make sure to follow at Haus Labs and at Sarah Tanno Makeup to learn more about our products. We love you.